Hello everyone, this is Dr. Marcus Ross with Cornerstone Educational Supply, coming in with a quick video to highlight some of the items that we have available for Classical Conversations Cycle 3 activities during the second part of the spring term. These are the activities for probabilities, combinations, and learning about odds and chances. So what we have up here are 3 items that are going to help you out during 4 of those 6 weeks. One of the ones that we are most proud of here is our brand new Blueberry Pancakes and Probabilities activity. This is a nice big full-size 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, full color, with 6 fun pancakes on top of it on this neat little breakfast kind of platter spread that we have here. We worked with a local artist in order to get the design done, and what your kids will do is each one of them will get a backer board with their pancakes. Every kid gets a fun, cool blue die that is a little bit see-through, and as they roll that die and come up with a number, in this case number 1, they're going to then grab one of the 30 pop-out blueberries that we have on this awesome little blueberry sheet. These are emoji-themed blueberries that we pop out and then place on top of each one of the pancakes every time they roll a die. So for the 30 blueberries, they'll roll 30 times, and as they do, number 3 comes up, pop out a blueberry, whichever one they want. We've got a bunch of different styles on here, and they go place that on number 3 as well. And over time, they'll see their blueberries populate out on the pancakes and start learning that as you roll your dice, the odds are good that you're going to get some of every number, but you're not going to get 5 on each one. Instead, you might get 8 6s and only 2 4s, or other sorts of things. And a fun thing to do on top of that, once the kids do their own activity, is to take all the data from the class, all the instances from the class, and put that together, and they'll discover that when they add all their numbers together and all their blueberries together, the numbers start to normalize a little bit more. And you can show kids that with small numbers of instances, small numbers of blueberries, the numbers don't always look very even, but the more data that you put together, the better the picture emerges. It's perfect for learning about science, perfect for learning about probabilities, and the activities that scientists and mathematicians and engineers do each and every day as they study the world that God has made. So we've got our pancakes and probabilities activities with our blueberries, our pancakes, and our cool blue die, one for each kid in the class, a great item that they then get to take home. Well, the second item that we have that's going to help them with understanding combinations is our pizza materials. And so you've got an activity for doing pizza activities with the students, thinking about how many combinations of pizzas you could possibly make given different types of toppings. Well, we decided we're going to illustrate that. We're going to give each kid a plate of their own pizza with a little pizza cutter on it. They got a glass of soda ready for them, and they got a blank pizza. And what they then get to do is, again, they've got pop-out materials like cheese. We're going to put cheese over the entire pizza. Kids just pop that right out, and they'll put it on the pizza. What else can you put on pizza? Well, a whole bunch of fun things. We've got ham, mushrooms, peppers, pepperoni, and pineapple, and the kids can go wild for the class time trying to build their own favorite pizzas. What do they want on theirs? Are they going to go Hawaiian with pineapple and ham, or are they going to go veggie with mushrooms and peppers, or are they going to go for the ultimate with everything? And they will learn that with just a few items, some cheese, some ham, some mushrooms, some pepperoni, you can have a huge variety of different types of pizzas. And they're going to learn about all the different pizzas that they can make using those items. These are going to follow straight from the activity sets as are written and the instructions that are written in your Foundation and Essentials guide for both pancakes and the pizza. And so these are going to slot in great with the activities that you're already doing, but they're going to make them more fun. It's colorful, it's hands-on, it's learning about stuff, and the kids are going to take it home. They're going to remember this stuff, and they're going to think, remember when we did the pizza? Or, I love the blueberries. So we want to be able to make science time fun. That is one of our big goals at Cornerstone Educational Supply, because God is a fun God. He does great things with the world. The last item that we have is used for 2 of the weeks in CC Cycle 3, and that is our probability token bag set. So you're going to be using tokens in order to look at probabilities here, and inside this box we have 4 fabulous satin bags, and inside each one of those bags are 21 tokens. There we go. 21 tokens. These are nice, solid plastic, hard plastic and clay tokens, coming in red, white, and blue colors. Each bag has got each box has 4 bags, so that one box is going to be able to be used by, wow, an entire class of 8 kids. So you can use one box and split it all up, and that's it. If you've got a small community that's doing one group of science at a time, then this one box covers you for 2 whole weeks worth of activity. If you've got classes that are larger and you've got more than one science group going at one time, or you have more students, or you want everybody to have their own bag, you can add in as many as you need. But we recommend at least one bag for each pair of students that's working together for each science class that is doing its work at a given time. And these are nice, solid, hard, thick tokens, so not only are you going to be able to buy these and use them from one class to the next throughout the day, you're going to be able to gather these things up, and you're going to be able to put them back in your bin and pull them out the next time you need them, because they're not going to go bad. They're durable and hard and strong, unless you decide to take them home and have some fun playing with your kids and doing stuff like that. They're going to learn how to estimate what their odds are of picking out different colors when you follow the CC Cycle 3 activities in the Foundations and Essential book for the use of these probability tokens. So with a couple of items, such as our pancakes and probabilities, or with our pizza combinations, or these, you're going to be able to have a lot of fun in the second half of CC Cycle 3. You can find these at our website, cornerstone-edsupply.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@cornerstone-edsupply.com. This is Dr. Marcus Ross. Thanks. We'll see you in the classroom.